The habit of saving is itself an education. It fosters every virtue, teaches self-denial, cultivates the sense of order, trains to forethought, and so broadens the mind. Don't tell me what you value, show me your budget, and I'll tell you what you value. If you live for having it all, what you have is never enough. Before you speak, listen. Before you write, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you invest, investigate. Before you criticize, wait. Before you pray, forgive. Before you quit, try. Before you retire, save. Before you die, give. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. Wealth after all is a relative thing, since he that has little and wants less is richer than he that has much and wants more. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. It is time for us to stand and cheer for the doer, the achiever, the one who recognizes the challenge and does something about it. It's not the situation, but whether we react, negative, or respond, positive, to the situation that's important. A successful man is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks others have thrown at him. Let him who would enjoy a good future waste none of his present. Courage is being scared to death, but saddling up anyway. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. 20 years from now you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. It is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. The successful warrior is the average man, with laser-like focus. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, destiny, life, karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down, and it has made all the difference in my life. Let no feeling of discouragement prey upon you, and in the end you are sure to succeed. Screw it, let's do it. If your ship doesn't come in, swim out to meet it. People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing, that's why we recommend it daily. A real entrepreneur is somebody who has no safety net underneath them. As long as you're going to be thinking anyway, think big. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning. If Plan A fails, remember there are 25 more letters. Do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Do the one thing you think you cannot do. Fail at it. Try again. Do better the second time. The only people who never tumble are those who never mount the high wire. This is your moment. Own it. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. I'm only rich because I know when I'm wrong. I basically have survived by recognizing my mistakes. Persist, don't take no for an answer. If you're happy to sit at your desk and not take any risk, you'll be sitting at your desk for the next 20 years. If you took our top 15 decisions out, we'd have a pretty average record. It wasn't hyperactivity, but a hell of a lot of patience. You stuck to your principles, and when opportunities came along, you pounced on them with vigor. When buying shares, ask yourself, would you buy the whole company? If you have trouble imagining a 20% loss in the stock market, you shouldn't be in stocks. My old father used to have a saying, if you make a bad bargain, hug it all the tighter. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. The four most expensive words in the English language are, this time it's different. I'd like to live as a poor man with lots of money. Fortune sides with him who dares. Wealth is like seawater, the more we drink, the thirstier we become. And the same is true of fame. If we command our wealth, we shall be rich and free. If our wealth commands us, we are poor indeed. No wealth can ever make a bad man at peace with himself. My formula for success is rise early, work late, and strike oil. The best thing money can buy is financial freedom.
Like, comment, and subscribe.